TechFan Productions here, bringing you a quick video on how to install the Alexa Call of Duty skill set and what it sounds like. It's just a real quick video. Got an email today saying play smarter not harder. Alexa is now available on or with Call of Duty. So hey, I gave it a shot. Quick instructions here, real simple to install. You're just going to add skill set. You're going to go into your application. I did it on my phone for the Alexa, and I searched on Call of Duty. I clicked enable, and then it asks you to log into your Activision account, and you're going to log in via your username and password. And then after you're done, it's going to say that is successfully linked. And then I'm going to ask Alexa, Call of Duty.
Greetings, soldier. It's Call of Duty. You can think of me as your interactive reconnaissance scout. If you want to know what your KD is in Hardpoint, or if you're looking for a breakdown of your war mode defense stats, I've got you covered. But I'll go past that. I can give strategic tips on how to boost your KD, or anything else by analyzing your MP performance for match played moving forward. That's right, the more you play, the better I get, and the better you get. We're gonna make a hell of a team. I'm also up to date on all the latest Call of Duty news, so I'll make sure to keep you up to date on everything that's going on in game. Ditto your friends. Anytime you want to know which of your buddies are online, just ask. So, how can I help? I can give your stats, accepted orders, Call of Duty news or game updates. What intel do you need next?
Stats.
So, this is what we're looking at. Outstanding work on completing 35 matches. Your score per minute is 116.7. Your KD ratio is 0.62, and your win-loss ratio is 0.65. What else do you need, soldier?
What else can I do?
Call of Duty provides you with critical intel, personalized instruction and essential after-action reports in real time. Find out what contract and orders you are close to completing, your weekly recap, your progress, or how you match up to friends. Need more help on stats, news, friends, or contracts? Just ask.
So there you have it. That was a quick demo just to show you what it's all about. Hey, thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Have a great day as usual.